At Inferno Solar, our niche is commercial and industrial solar. That is a huge, broad category of different types of buildings, different types of businesses. So on one end, we have offices. Maybe they're single story, multi story. Maybe they have individual metering for the tenants, or maybe they have a bulk meter for the tenants. Either way, we can provide a solution. But what is the goal there is to provide long term cost certainty on the price of that electricity and generate it behind the meter where it's going to reduce their delivery fees. Smaller offices are going to most likely have something called a consumption meter on them. That means that there's actually no timestamp on when that power was used. It was used between, for example, May 8th and June 8th, and this was how much you used. So there's a really strong value proposition there for solar because we're just producing. A lot of it's going to be sold to the grid, and they're going to get a microgeneration credit on their bill. Depending on if they use, say, a solar club rate or not, they could really end up having negative bills from, May through to September. So I'm talking about like building up minus 500, minus 1,000, minus 1,500, minus $1,000 bills kind of thing. And then as you start to get into the winter season, you're going to draw down on that supply of credits. And then, you'll start paying some money again in December, January, February. But that would be the value proposition for kind of like smallish office or light industrial, like maybe kind of a 10,000 square foot industrial tenant that does warehousing and distribution, that kind of thing.